What's up, everyone? This is Kenny here from Professors, and today we're going to take a question from the audience. The question sounds like this. Hi Kenny, my wife would like to purchase a house in ... Can I ask a question? The developer reps told me it's best to get bank quotes from her side, make it easier for the process. I know for sure it's cost of comfy, but just in case, is it true? Or can I actually also ask you? So the context here is like this. This audience, the wife is trying to purchase an under construction property from the developer. Okay, so just asking me, can they also ask me, since they know I'm a banker, to quote. Bank quotes here means whether the project, number one, is panel or not, right? The usual one like interest rate, and also what's the margin like, These are the common questions. So is it easier to get the bank quotes as per the developer rep mentioned from them instead of going to your own banker? Can I use my own banker? Sometimes you get. Actually, yes, because the bankers, right, already they know the project because they are panel. There's a panel list of panel bankers, so you can ask them to call you. You can tell the agent, okay, I want bank ABC to call me. So bank ABC will call you. Or in some cases, I think you can online submit yourself now. Okay? You can submit yourself online. All your documents all can do online and we register everything online. Some still will say, okay, I'll pass my documents to the agent settled. The next one is because of comfy. Yes. Actually, some banks do give referral fees for developers or agents in return for referring to them business, loan business. This one is very common. That's why you see sometimes the agents, they recommend the bank, since the bank actually give them, number one, of course, must have approval. Don't the bankers, you don't have approval, I won't send you a case as an agent, you won't get a case, because what I want is the property loan approval first, the loan approval, not the referral fees. The referral fees is actually peanuts. In some cases, right, it's the banker that is offering to these developers or agents, okay, out of their own pocket, then they get commission, right, for a sale. They offer a little bit to get more sales from this developer staff and also agents. That's what they do. Does this make it easier for an approval? No. The bank wide, we follow the same guidelines only. That's all. Is it better terms? No. Also no. Don't get conned by these better terms or better rates, because when you receive the end financing papers on it via the email or even the system, right, it's already stated like what's the margin, and rate across the board is the same one. Okay, a rate across the board, the bank wide is the same. You ask me or ask the other banker from the same bank, it's going to be the same. So no point wasting time with this. You want the lowest rate, right? You can always go for a mortgage broker, okay? But if you're buying from developer, you just get the list and contact all the banks and ask if you want. Easy, man. The lists are there and the phone numbers are also there. So competition getting stiffer and stiffer day by day, right? So you get not a good practice, whereby the developer will tell the agent, hey, you pass to other than panel banker, we forfeit your commission. Also called these kind of things. You forfeit your commission. So of course, naturally the agent will not pass to you. Okay. Then next one, I also heard that, okay, you pass to non-panel banker, right? Non-panel banker, when you pass to non-panel banker and non-panel lawyer, we also don't bear your legal fees. Most of you, or even I think everybody, you buy under construction, legal fees are all absorbed, right? You don't need to pay. So but this one you have to pay. So of course most of them will opt to use the developers panel bankers. So that's all. We're not talking about a topic of fair competition here. That is a topic for another day. So the question at the end of the day is, should you actually follow the developer's recommendation when it comes to your panel bankers? The answer is yes. Why? Because all of you have the same interest. If you do not get your loan approved, you do not get a house correct, you want the house smart, then the banker and also the agent, if no approval, they don't get paid. So all of you actually have the same interest. And if you are a buyer, your bankers and your agents are in the same interest as you. They want to see you convert the property, sign the S&P. That's what they want. That's how they get paid anyway. Okay, the bankers want you to sign on the loan offer letter. That's how they get paid also. So I hope this explains the question, and I'll see you again in the next video. Bye bye.